Looking for expert bathroom fitters in Garforth? Whether you're upgrading, renovating, or starting from scratch, we've got the skills, the style, and the service to transform your space. Our teams deliver exceptional workmanship and hassle-free installations. We can do everything from full bathroom installations to stylish ensuites, mobility-friendly upgrades, and sleek wet rooms. We handle it all, start to finish. Our skilled team takes care of every detail: plumbing, tiling, electrics, fixtures, and finishes. Every project is tailored to your needs and completed with a perfect finish. We pride ourselves on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. With hundreds of bathrooms installed, we're your go-to local experts. Ready to transform your bathroom? Get in touch today for a free, no-obligation quote. Your dream bathroom is just a call away. Contact us today on 07480 801504.